Hey ladies, this is your girl Jessica, and I am your sew along host this week. Whoop whoop. We are doing the Kerala pattern. If you have not gotten your pattern pieces, today's the day to do it. Go ahead and get your pattern pieces printed and cut out, and also choose your fabrics, okay? So y'all be real happy because I actually got a lining fabric this time. Normally I always just cut everything on the fold, baby, and we just move it on. We do what we do. But this time I got y'all some lining fabric, some cute little cute little strawberries and stuff like that. So I'm gonna tell y'all today what we're gonna be doing. Well, I'm just gonna just wing it. Alright, if you guys have not cut out your pattern chart, your cutting chart, you need to do that, okay? So, I am going to tell y'all what I have today. So, they have a whole bunch of different options. And I just wanted to try the V, like the little V shape. I want to try that. So, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to do my skirt is going to be the ruffle hemmed / peekaboo skirt, okay? So I got my ruffle pieces, my hem band, and my skirt. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I have. I have my back bodice, mane, and lining. This right here is my front bodice lining, okay? This is my front bodice pieces here. You'll have two of those. This one you'll just on the front you'll just have one. You'll have one, what's this called? Accent piece in the front. Let me make sure. Your center bodice placket. You'll have one of those. And you'll have two straps. I've already went ahead and pressed my straps together. I'm just going to take this off here and then iron that on. Since I'm going to do the ruffles and a peekaboo, like the little hem, the hem with the peekaboo ruffles, I have 4 ruffle pieces, okay, cut on the fold. That's on your cutting chart, or you can print off your pattern piece. I have 2 of my hem band here, okay? And then I have 2 skirt pieces, both cut on the fold. If you guys do not feel comfortable cutting your using the cutting chart, just go ahead and use some more paper and use that instead. Okay, so let's get started.